We have made it to the Crescent Hotel. It's supposed to be the most haunted hotel in America from their advertisement. Inside of it. They even have a little gift shop inside of here. Got this dude guarding the elevator. These are some stairs. That's a new spa and saloon down there. The Crescent College for Women Conservatory.
Looks like a dining room.
It looks like this is like lines on the windows makes you already think of like a hospital. Let's go down this hallway. You got the ladies' room. Look at that old heating element. You got it. Let's go take a look out this window real quick. Here we'll do the outside. Go upstairs real quick. This is so cool. Getting to go in this famous of a hotel is freaking cool.
Oh,
yeah. Got the old fire hose roll. I want to go to the top and see if there's like a... I guess you could take the elevator if you really want.
we can walk the stairs.
Yeah, we're young enough. Look at the little artwork they got on the ledge even right there. That's kind of cool. Tell us it's very well maintained. Another one of them heating element, this time with some better lighting. We're almost to the top. That's where they got all the pictures and whatnot. Let me check this window real quick. Oh, that's what inside of a room looks like. That's cool. I'm not going to go too much into it because I didn't buy the room and I don't want to get in trouble. It smells good in here though. This is a ladder. It's very cool. As we are up here with a south penthouse. That's pretty freaking cool. That is pretty cool. Some more paintings. The elevator. It's all golden and whatnot. Oh, hey, there's an outside. And we're going outside. Oh, where they have a restaurant as well?
It is, yeah. Last night there was this.
Oh. Was this part of downtown? We just want a weird. No, it's not.
Do you want to sit by Allie? Okay. Hey,
Look at that bird chilling.
and then I can put Mason by Allie.
That's cool, huh?
Okay. She wants to sit by her.
Guessing some of the medical notes from the doctor? Question mark?
Folks get well, look. The Switzerland of America, and this says hotel. The top of the O is words. And then
So
it says
it's
Dr.
probably-
Baker's recommendations. Take 3
Yeah.
and call me in the morning. Don't worry, these are real easy to swallow. That sounds crazy. 3
would.
handcrafted mini burgers.
And he also believed that this place had the healing capabilities and whatnot. Eureka Springs. Yeah, this guy was probably nutty. This is some part of a time capsule. Here's what the inside of one room does look like. I'm not going to go any further because, like I said, did not pay for it. But it is what it is. Got a little random section over here. Just a little cubby. Oh, we're almost. Dude, is there any ghosty beside us?
I don't know, you listen to them on the show.
Huh?
That pool's cool.
That pool is cool. Is there ghosties? There's a plate. Oh, those are people's rooms. Yeah. I definitely think we came and checked it out at checkout time because there's a lot of housekeeping going on. It's kind of cool. We've been able to see in a couple of the rooms.
Yes.
Yeah. Some loud, creaky stairs. There's a window right there. And we're almost out. Back into the lobby. It says it's the Crystal Room. It looks like another place you can eat. Crystal Dining Room. Oh, it looks like buffet like.
The district bought every kid.